Hello, Standard 7. Your Arun sir going to teach maths, a new chapter, uh, perimeter and area, and it is part 1. Perimeter and area is a part of mensuration, and mensuration is a branch of mathematics. Now, what we will study in this perimeter? Very easy. Perimeter means boundary. Suppose I am showing one diagram, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and this is again 4 centimeter. And I am asking you to find the perimeter. Perimeter means boundary. Just add all the sides and that will be the boundary, that will be the perimeter. So perimeter will be equal to what? 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, and it is equal to 5 4 9, 9 and 6 15, and 4 19 centimeter, and this is the answer. So perimeter understood or not? Perimeter means the sum of the boundary, sum of the all sides. And here different type of perimeter we will discuss, different types of figure. See here, one triangle I am showing. Suppose this is 6 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. And I am asking you to find the perimeter. Perimeter will be what? Perimeter will be 6 plus 4 plus 7 means 17 centimeter, and this is the answer. Understood or not? Again, some more figure we will see. Let us discuss about the rectangle. Rectangle. You must be knowing about the rectangle. This is the rectangle. A, B, C and D. And we are knowing that opposite sides are equal and parallel. Suppose this is 6 centimeter. This must be 6 centimeter. And let it be 5 centimeter. And I am asking you to find the perimeter. So perimeter will be what? Perimeter will be equal to 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 means 6 5 11 and 22 centimeter. Instead of, in the case of a rectangle, instead of adding all the sides, you can use one formula. What formula you can use? This is same and this is same. Means 2 length and 2 breadth, if we will add, that will be the perimeter. So one formula you can use. Perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length and plus breadth. Now let us see whether we are true or not. Length is what? This is the length. 2 into length 6 and breadth is 5 means 2 into 11, and it is 22 centimeter, and that is the answer. So dear children, keep in mind, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Length and breadth must be in bracket, otherwise you will do mistake. 2 into length plus breadth. First add length plus breadth and then multiply by 2 because that is in the bracket. Now let us discuss about the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. A square you are knowing. This is the square. All the sides are equal. If it is 5 centimeter, naturally all sides will be 5 centimeters. Because the opposites, all the sides in a square are equal. Now, if you will find the perimeter, what you have to do? You have to add all the sides, means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, and it is 5, 5, 10, 20 centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit, and that is the answer. Here also one formula is developed. Instead of adding 4 sides, you can use perimeter of a square, it is equal to 4 into side. See, 4 into side is equal to 4, and one side is 5 centimeter and it is 20 centimeter. Very clear? Understood? Now coming to the exercise question. Let us discuss some exercise question. Exercise 1A. Exercise 1A. Question 1. Question is, find the perimeter of a rectangle if length is 15 centimeter. Length is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. And we have to find the perimeter, and it is a rectangle. So how we will find perimeter of a rectangle? What I have told you, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So it will be equal to 2 into 15 plus 10, and 2 into 15 and 10, 25, means 50 centimeter. That is the answer. Very clear or not? Very easy also. Now second question, let us discuss. Question number 2. Question 2. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 8 centimeter. Side is equal to 8 centimeter. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So it will be equal to 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32, and that is the answer. So very easy. We have understood. Next, some more question let us discuss. Once more, question number 3. Rectangular field is 30 meter long. Find the length of the wall which will enclose it. Means boundary is asked. You have to find the perimeter. Let us solve question number 5. Question number 5. A square has a perimeter of 24 centimeter. Perimeter of a square is equal to 24 centimeter. And find the length of the side. Length of the side is equal to what? Means here perimeter is given and you are asked to find the length of the side. So what we are knowing, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. See here, perimeter is given 24 and side is not given. Leave side this side, bring 4 this side. Therefore, 24 by 4 is equal to side. Okay, 6 4 are. So 6 centimeter, therefore side will be equal to 6 centimeter. Means when perimeter of a square is given and side is asked, you have to divide by 4. Perimeter, if you will divide by 4, that will be the side. Means side is equal to, side of a square is equal to perimeter divided by 4. Very clear, and that will be the answer. Now, we will see question number 8. See question number 8. What is given? Find the cost of fencing a square foot. Cost of fencing a square feet. Cost of fencing a square feet of side 35 centimeter at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. Now try to understand this question. What is that? Cost of fencing. Fencing means boundary. Boundary you have to make. That cost, and a square field is given whose side is 35 meter. Means this is the square field whose side is 35 meter, and you have to find the cost of boundary fencing, and the rate is rupees 40 per meter. Means in the beginning you have to find the perimeter, and if you will multiply the perimeter by 40, that will be the answer. So perimeter of the field, perimeter of the square field, 4 into side. It means 4 into 35. It means 140 meter. This is the boundary, perimeter. Okay. Now, cost of fencing. Cost of fencing means making boundary, and that will be 140 into 40, and whatever you are getting, that will be the answer. Very clear on you. So we have understood about the perimeter, and I hope you can solve all the question. If problem will be there, you will text me, I will solve the question and I will send. In the next video, we will discuss the rest part, means area part. Thank you very much.